Wanna clap now? My work here no hard tonight. They bring me for a very special purpose. You know, say these days comedians our eye don't they choke. So when I do my show for Port Harcourt early this year, a cappella was the MC. After the show, I come to ask him how much man push and something. He no agree. He says just love. It's okay. So I did my sleep. Now I come, he say, man, come show him love. Just to introduce him. I said, okay, how much for this love where you want me show you? Because I like my money. Now I say, well, not much. Say the kind of love where you show me for. So I'm here to introduce a cappella. But before I introduce him, I'll tell you a few things. Now, we want to use this opportunity to appreciate you guys and all the fans out there who have recognized comedy as an industry of its own. We are very grateful. And it's a beautiful coincidence that in the house today, you need to understand that, like say comedy not day, many of us for the walk somewhere, you know. Somebody like me, I for my papa house. They wait to inherit them. Somebody like okay for the local government, you know. But an industry was born, and the very first person to take that major step to make it an industry, to institutionalize it, is actually in the building today. His name is Mr. Upper Williams of the Night of 1,000 Lab Fame. He's right. Mona, clap like you mean it. Yes. You know, while Mr. Upper Williams was doing that in Lagos, right? In places like Port Harcourt, the very first set of comedians were emerging on their own. That they do comedy, they not even know say na stand up. One of the pioneers of stand-up comedy, ladies and gentlemen, as it is known now from Port Harcourt at the time, is also in the building. Basoj Tyra Jr., one of the most rounded artists in the building. Yes, Basoj. There you are. You know, you've seen OK Bakassi. Let's show some love. Put your hands together for OK Bakassi. From the east, OK Nine start stand up there, they come, right? And then comedy come they morph, you know. So normally when somebody starts something new, they hard. People know they see the vision, but they go just do it. So one of the comedians, in fact the first comedian to have a one-man stand-up special ever in Nigeria, is also in the building. Please put your hands together for TA, ladies and gentlemen. It's right there. Now when I see your own, now I decide I go do my own. And that time I still minor, you know. So yes, these are the guys who have set the ball rolling for us. And look, all of them come here. Not only a cappella day poster, but you came to get good quality comedy, and he is ready. And you can see that every other comedian we don't perform, majority of them actually, you see say now issues that they talk about. Take crack joke. That's the future of comedy. Now the next level we want to take them to. Nigeria, we are too strong. Mona, relax. Let's have a good time. Camera they show some of una scenes. So now go they laugh. As camera you don't come your face, you come package like say you be Wole showing car. Relax. And some men be like say some of them be like say una no know say camera go day. Una carry una babe come. So especially this one, as they move like this, you see some men. Change your seat if it's that bad, eh? We want us to have a good time. Comedy has become a brand in Nigeria. Now style, with the rock. Most of the comedians you see, they are rich. Forget. They get levels, they get style. We won't become rock stars now. The way musicians did. Everybody they shout stew now. Stew. With they laugh. Whiskey they shout stew. You know stew women don't leak. If men age now according to the stew where they don't leak, you know some people age. Somebody like D'banj now go there like 150 based on stew where they don't leak. Okay, Bakasi, where they talk. You know, Steve, okay, don't leak. Two-Face. You know, Steve, we don't leak Two-Face.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And well done, oh. I like to celebrate the ladies anywhere I go, but you get one complaint, why I won't give. I beg, if you be girl here, I don't know where I wanna learn this trend to they put body cream inside fridge. I beg, if you know say they put body cream inside fridge, wanna stop that thing, they favor us. My uncle come back yesterday and he bought bread. And they laugh. My uncle buy bread, come in house. You know say get the way your house go dark, but you still know your way around. My uncle just enter kitchen, open fridge, carry something they run for bread. You don't know say na Nivea cream. My uncle chop bread with Nivea cream. In tongue come the bleach. I beg. You see this way that they tell you say, then go the one you say, Emeka show us the girl and go to sleep. That word na scam. If you never ready to marry, no answer them all. Show us the girl and go to sleep. When you ready, and those your friends go first you sleep. Oh. No go rush. Girls go tell you say, you know I'm from Enugu, our bride price is 1,500. Nah, scam. If you go the village, the full marriage list, 1 million never sort them. We don't escort one guy go marry somewhere for Enugu. The guy go to print the marriage list. He come back, say the thing was too bulky. They no fit even staple am. They can't give us the marriage list for flash drive. Till now, go back. And all those kind, now you go still manage, pay the money. Your in-laws go come they manage. You know, any of them don't go to arrange for East before. All those Abakeleke, you go to traditional marriage, you go see they wake carry big towel, say name na DJ Snoop Doggy Dog. Traditional marriage, DJ carry 16 speaker. At the end, only 2 speakers they work. But that one no pay me. You don't spread. They disturb everybody. Now you want make announcements. Comedian want make announcements for the show. The mic will come the echo and they sound like say you be ghost. I'm surprised that I go one and they announce make women come carry their food. Waiting that they have for the microphone. People off. Njaba, women, association. Come on, carry your rice. I can't the one that I don't turn ghost. I don't understand all these fake DJs. If you be young man here, you dey find wife, no ever check any girl inside supermarket too. That's the wrong place. One guy don't meet one girl, oh. She just come to buy Milo and milk. Now the guy is spread, take whatever you want, I will pay. No, say na in burial, the girl drop basket, carry trolley. Girl will just come to buy milk and Milo. She come for yard and keep milk. She carry Odin burger, collect mixi, collect pick milk, even collect children pick milk 1, 2, 3. Come this side, collect Bonvita, collect Milo, collect Ovaltine, even collect Lipton join. When I know say that girl won't kill that guy, now when she begin collect boxers, singlets, shaving stick, shaving powder, what thing you they use all those things to? And I'll do this before I go. My time don't depend. Why if you say if guys hang out by themselves, then they enjoy themselves, enjoy their money. But once if you say guys don't mix with girls, now the boys they spend, now the girls they enjoy. Just imagine 2 guys walk out with 2 girls, then enter bar, then bring menu for them. Everybody don't order, then they drink, they chop, enjoy. Now they don't chop finish, they won't go house. It can't be say the door of the bar, they record customer sales so that they go know who they go appreciate at the end of the day. Now the 2 girls now at the end they front. You know say when girl don't chop your money, then they walk out fast to go house. The 2 girls now in the front, and then they approach the door. The dog will come they record waiting these 2 girls eat. You come here, pick up shawarma 3008. Pick up suya 2004. Smirnoff Ice half crate. Then this last one, I don't know how girls take like this thing. I don't know which one I want born for us. You come here, shisha, 6,200. You can call total 31,005. Just 2 girls. Now the 2 idiot boys will pay the money. They don't dey near the door. As then they approach, the door go first side. Just 2 sticks of Benson and 1 bottle of Fragolis water. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my time. God bless you all.